Okay, I'm back. This is part 2. It closed and stuff because I can only do 10 minutes and I like the free version, so whatever. This is where we left off last time. I was setting up my second server and I just started the server. So we do stop. And then we go to our configs. I don't know why all this popped up. Oh yeah, that's why. Okay. So now we stop the server. Now we go to our plugins, and our votifier should be right there. Go to config. Now we change the port to 8194 because that's the next server, and 8192 is being used on the hub. 8193 is being used on here. So we just save it onto here. Do file, save. Now we go get our RSA, our public key. Copy this. Go to, oh yeah, go back. Now we go on our main hub, my lobby. Go to plugins. Go to votesend, config, public key right here. Delete it. Paste that public key into there, and make sure there's only one space right here. 8194 because we changed it to that, and the IP would still be 0.0.0.0. File, save that. Now, I have my last server. You probably guys only have 2 servers, so I'm gonna set this one up now. 0.0.0.0, and then my last one would be on 8195. So now I go to my prison server, go to plugins, and now this is my last server, so I'm just gonna move them into there. Move and replace. Plugins, votifier. Whoa, yeah, okay. Cancel. I'd delete this, yes, and then I'd start server. I think I kind of messed up because I forgot to save that config, but that'll be alright. Okay, I think that should be done now. So stop. Whatever, we'll just do that. Okay, we go to plugins. Go to votifier. Go to RSA, public key. Copy that public key. Go to config and change this to 8195. File, save. Now go back to your lobby server, plugins, votesend, config. Now we go change this to 8195. The port will still be 0.0.0.0. Paste. Okay, now that should all work perfectly now. Save. Oh, well now you need to port forward all your ports. So I'll show you how to do that on mine. You go to your default gateway. If you don't know how to find that, go to CMD, open your command prompt and type in ipconfig. Oops, spelled it wrong. ipconfig. The default gateway right here would be this IP. So that's the IP you'd use. So 81.1.1. I have Cisco, so I'm gonna use my password for my router. Waiting. Okay. So now I go to connectivity, I think, if I remember. No, I think it's internet set. If I remember this right. Oh, okay. So I go to security, apps and gaming, port range forwarding, and I'd add a new port. I'd do votifier. 8192 is already set up for me. So now I set up the next port 8193 to 8193. And then this IP, the device IP, would be the IP which your computer is running off of. So if we go back to CMD, do ipconfig. So your IPv4 address would be what's the IP of your computer. So this would be where you put it. You do save, add new port, votifier. I think I spelled that wrong, but whatever. 8194, and then 1135. Save, add new port, votifier, 8195, 1135. Save, apply, and then that should all work perfectly fine now. Now we go to our bungee cord. Now we're gonna start the bungee cord. That all set up. Now we go to all of our individual servers. We go to lobby, main start. We start the lobby server. Go to factions. Start the factions server. Mini games. Start the mini game server. Prison. Start the prison server. Okay. So now let us go to Minecraft multiplayer. And I set it up as my last IP. Okay. So this should be server lobby. Okay. This is my server lobby /gmc/sun. Alright, now I'll show you guys how to. So if you want to test it out without like going on to any other things, I could just test it off the server. Let's go to our okay, so you go on your hub server. This is my hub where everyone joins and stuff. They come here, choose a portal. So you do /votesend. No, sorry. /send votes, your name, and then whatever program you want to use. Let's just say, I don't know, MC index. Sent vote test vote. So let's just choose a server. We're gonna go on here. And on here, as you see, it says Danimals Pwn 3 has voted at MC index and received 5 diamonds. So I'm gonna, or you could just, to make sure it actually works, go on your hub, server, do vote send Danimals Pwn 3 test. Oh, sorry. Send vote Danimals Pwn 3 test. Danimals. Did I spell my name right? Ah, I didn't. So send vote Danimals Pwn 3 MC index. It actually has to be like server hosting. I did not know that. So see, I just received it. It all works perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. If you guys want, in the description, tell me if you want me to set up how to make a bungee cord server. Tell me how you like the video. Join our server. Our server is siegehubmc.tk. Join it today. Subscribe, and see you guys later.